How to use the AutoGrid tool. It is used to link patterns with size table. Open the XF, PLT or other files. Edit the size table. Gridding the neckline. Choose it. Left-click the line and select the part of the neckline. Edit the neckline formula. Neckline gridded. Gridding the shoulder line. Choose it. Select the center line. Click the neck point and the shoulder point. Edit the formula for the shoulder line. The shoulder line gridded. Gridding the armhole. Choose it. Select the center line. Click the shoulder point and the armhole point. Length is the depth of the armhole. Width is the bust line. The armhole line gridded. Gridding the length. Choose it. Click point to point. Select length. Again. Gridding this point. Choose it. Click the line and edit the formula. Copy the gridding to right points. Choose it. Click point to point. Note the extra action. Add the minus. Grid all points in the same way. All the points have been gridded. When you change the dispersion of the size table, the gridding of the pattern will be modified together. After change. Before change. Thanks for watching.